Hi, Bulva. I miss you. Hi, guys! Wala lang. Live lang ako. Kamusta kayo mga stana? So, nag-jogging ako. And then after niligo. And then after nag-live. Wala. Na-miss ko lang kayo. Diba? Hi, Shay Shay. Happy Anib. Sorry kung lately hindi ako nakapag-post, hindi ako nakapag-bakla-bakla sa mga story. Kasi hindi yung stepdad ko. Alam nyo na, di ba? Sobrang first leg ng newborn baby. Oo nga, oo nga! Miss you, me. Kamusta kayo nila, Denmark, Heart, at ni Kay. At ni Ikel. Ano ba tong hereret na ito? Gaga, wala. Bagong ligo lang kasi. Yung mo ba lang ganyan, sir? Pinlat ko lang. Ito si Laklak. Any incoming gigs masan ka may kita, haha. This Saturday, I have a show at Rampa with Minty Fresh, a birthday show with Minty Fresh. So mag-expect na kayo na magandang show to dahil andyan si Ver, andyan si Odasha, andyan ako, and andyan si Corazon, and Ramparinas, and syempre the birthday girl, Minty Fresh. And the next week, finale lang tayo ng finale ng Station Royale. And then next week, I have a show at Atmosfera, and then after that, I have a show at Rampa, and then after that, next week pala, meron pala tayong, Shady Brunch sa Vice Comedy Club, and then after that meron akong Rampa, and then after that meron akong Atmosfera, and then after that meron akong Baxilog, and then after that meron akong Davao, and then after and that. Love the hair, thank you. See you, Shady Brunch. See you. And then, sana matuloy. May Cebu daw na December. Masuggest ka ng pwedeng e-commercial. Anong e-commercial? Anong ko-commercial natin? So, yung pakita ko sa inyo yung stepdad ko. Tanong ko lang kung pwede siyang busy siyang umiinom siya. Gusto room tour ko na lang kayo. Sige. Here's my room. Yan, kung makikita nyo, dito sa likod ko yung mga ginagamit kong what do you call about it? Luggages. And then here's our here's our shades. Yeah, kung makikita nyo dito. Yan mga shades, sorry. Mga shades namin ng asawa ko. Woohoo! Kasi dito naman lahat ang aming mga scarfs. Yes, scarfs. Yan, nakikita nyo dito, pagpasok ng room door, ito ay aming closet. Yan, and then hindi yung mga damit-damit ko dyan, mga pang lalaki. And then here's our shoes. Yes, the shoes, yes. And this is our bags. If you see our bags, yes, makikita mo yung our bags. Okay. And if you see in the other side, this is our cups. Yes, our cups is there. Yeah. And tinatanong ko sa ng aking drug stuff. This is our drug stuffs. Our drug stops is there. The Sheins, the Shoeses, yeah. Yeah, the shoe says, and the Shein says, and the hair says. And if you see in the other closet, you will see the dresses. Yeah. Yeah, this is the dresses that I wear sometimes when I feel alone, feeling like that. Yeah, this is the dresses. Yeah, and this is the briefses, the briefses. Yes. And this is the big gowns. When you see this, the big gowns. And this is the cat litter says. Yeah, you can see this is the cat litter says, you know. And this is my asawa. Asawa. The big laptops and shit, something. And this is the, you know, the toilet says. And this is the toiletry says. Yeah. The toiletry says is there. And then this is the bathroom says. You know. The toilet is there, and like that, and that's my room, and this is my bed, sis. My bed, sis. And this is my 2 p.m. sis. This is my little lampshade, sis. Yeah. So here's my room, and this is my shoes, sis. Earlier, sis. And this is the cat food, sis. No, when you see the cat food, sis. Yan muna, room ko muna ang papakita ko, sis. Tsaka na yung labas. Diyan po ba nagtiro ko sila si Ki? Oo, dito sila. Ayun sa kama. So yun lang. Tapos ko lang maligo. And miss ko lang kayo. Oh, nawawala nga yung cat. Says, alam si Soya. Maybe she's outside, sis. Space ko yung inakyatan mo last time. Hello, Space ni Nine Noses. Maaya mga vlog. Yo, kumpa. Product commercials for my project po. Kahit ano. See sa Davao. Napamusic ako ng folded, nag-live ka. Thank you. Hello po watching from Canada. Hi, host Chris 27. And this is Moy Moises. Moy Moises. It's Moy Moises. What's your piyesa for Saturday says? Ano bang gusto nyo? Gusto nyo ba yung shawarma ganda-gandahan? Gusto nyo ba conceptual or comedy or tayuan? Because, you know, I'm a flexible queen. I can do, you know, some stunts, but I'm not a stunt queen. I mix feminine and masculine, so it is what you call a feminine. Yeah. Hi, watching from Thailand says, hello, Thailand says, I am Ian Ramos. You were amazing during last week's Buchanan's. Thank you so much. Hi, Josh. Yeah, the reason from National University na sinusulong ang equality for every identity. Why are you laughing there? You know, my asawa ko is from National University too. Kahit ano ipiyesa mo, Cherry. Okay, Sophie. See you. Hi, Mika! Try ko sumawak sa kanya sa ano ha. Saan ba yan? Saan ba to? Who's your winner for Selection Royale? Me. I'm the winner. Oh, you know, winner. People have been asking me why I still go sa shows niya kahit break na kami. Ano ba yan? Hi, Sally! Who's your winner? Siyempre me. Sis. Hi, Katshus. Kung mismo ako, KN.NTHN. Pupunta ka sa Sabado. Hi, Margarita. The Dark Horse. See you in Davao Glow Mix. Mawin ulit Hive. I have a Hive pala. Hindi ko nasama sa shows. May Hive ako sa October 25. So, see you there. And meron din magba-birthday sa October 25. So, abangan nyo. Sino yan? Nandun ako. Arr! Tari ka na sa Dr. TH. Tutuhanin na natin ito.
Oo. Yung mashed potato with steak.
Ano yan?
Mashed potato.
Let's ko yan. Meron na ba, Laps?
Wala ba mamaya?
Ba't meron ka nyon?
Appetizer ko lang.
Laro ka, pasubo ako. The question I was supposed to ask you last week was how do you combine both cultures in the drag sis? But I got too nervous. Oh my god, hi Snosy.
Tignan mo.
Ay.
Tignan mo yung mashed potato. Sabog mo.
Yeah, that's not much. That's a wonderful question and it deserves a wonderful answer. I mix or combine both cultures as in my drag sis in aspect that I am trying to be hospitable, that I can do both of stars assuming right, like assuming my heart across and like my pieces blushing inside. Figure out and you shall find, but whether or not that old young, whether or not that I don't think the world is so really do what is what we so. Momento ko pa siya ganyan. Like, kidding aside, where's this? Smosey, I mix culture because I'm a half Arab and half Filipina. So, but my culture there, it's so unique and so rich in culture. But here in the Philippines, it's so rich din naman in culture. But, you know, to be unique, I mix it in some Middle Eastern culture. So sometimes I'm Cleopatra, sometimes I'm Matahari, sometimes I'm Gangubai. Cultured queen, yeah, yes. Like a Yakult. Malakasilip na yung jigli sa likod. Gago ka. Ba't ka ganyan? Saan dyan? Laro ka. Sino to? Ayoko na ako nag-live! Manong prefer mong gift galing sa supporter mo? Prefer? Actually, matalino na magregalo lately ang mga fans. Wait lang, yung makamabon kasi si Mama Jiggly daw nasa likod ko. Gago yun ha. You look fabs is in your shell, sis. So anyway, so prefer kong gift. May nagre-regalo sa akin ng nails. So lagi ko kasi nagagamit ng nails. So sobrang ganda niya regalo. And may mga nagre-regalo ng pambura ng makeup. So lagi kami nagbubura ng makeup. So sobrang useful ng mga gift lately. And may nagre-regalo din ng mga gamit sa drag. Usually mga gamit sa drag. So natutuwa ako dun. Minsan may nagre-regalo din ng cat food. May cat ako. So yun, nakakatuwa. Anong ganap mo ngayon, ma? Wala, dito lang. Okay, pag-usap sa inyo. Housewarming gifts. Ito, bigay sa akin ni Udasha. Yeah, the bass. I'm all about the bass, don't trouble. Yeah, that bass is gift from Udasha. Hi, Bill Danvers. Na para bang siya si Rizal sa buhok niya. Bago na yung hair ko, ayoko na ng malago na ganun kulot-kulot na. How to be you po. Just be you, di ba? Sabi nga nila. Kailan kayo magkaka-show together ni Sir? Sa ano nga, Sabado? Sige, ano, Jemima. Tsaka Rhea, pagtawanan niyo ako. Pumunta naman kayo sa ano ha, Sabado ha. Birthday yun, hindi nakakaya naman kundi yun puno. Ano masasabi mo sa top 4 ng Station Royal, ma? Actually, hindi ko sila nakikita sa top 4. Gaya-gaya. Gaya-gaya ng chika. But force naman sila. Nagpa-rhino ka ba, ma? Oh my God. That's a tough question. No. Healer lang. Diba? Four sister. Super cried ka last viewing party? Yes! I'm super cried. I cried a lot in the episode. Oo, kasi nasasakakroy ako na dalawang plinikoke ako yung naglalaban for their dreams. And sobrang bigat lang niya panoorin sa akin kasi I was there when preparation and all the stuff and help ako sa kanila both. So, nakaka-cry siya na sila yun napagtapat. Vlog with Can and Venus One Shot Makeup. Go! Di ka nakakagard no? You always look fresh. Di na nga. Thank you, Vanessa. Miss you. Toast Crunch. Hello. Hi, Steph. Ano piyesa sa Sabado? Secret. Kim Patricia, miss you, Mari. Miss you too, Kim. Hey, Jester. Hello, Jester. May show ka October 18 to 19, ma. I have a show sa October 19, Shady Branch with Slation Royale Queens. And winners, Kat, Precious, and hindi ko maalala yung name eh. Naiya? Hindi ko maalala. Pero parang ganun yung name niya. Yes, yan. Si Naiya ma. Yes. Yung Naiya daw. Sold out na yung branch ma. Yan. Yan. Malapit lang ako dito sa Makati. See you, Jamie. Kakatakbo ko nga lang, di ba? Ng ilang kilometer yon tinakbo ko? 82 kilometer. 82 kilometer. Tama. Pilay na ako yan. Ay, kamusta na pala si Rhea at Yeye? Ang ating bagong love team. Sabi ni Tarzan Ma. Sa South ma, walang gig. Wala pang gig sa South, pero ewan ko, kasali ako dun sa Drag in the South. December 27 ba yun? Kung gusto niyo akong kasali doon, pupunta ka sa page ng Drag in the South, mag-chat kayo doon. Sana po sa December 27, kasali po si Shawarma po, para po maganda po yung show lalo. Ganon yung mga chat niyo. Para ka namang si Usain Bolt sa 82 kilometers, my yes. Usain? Yes, kami ni Udasha, sabi ni Vanessa. O, chat niyo yung ano ha. O, Rhea ha. Hindi kita nararamdaman lately ay nagka-jowa lang ha. Nagka-jowa lang ako. O, siya, nagugutom na ako. Ako sa Sabado, kiss nila. I kiss you in the morning. Sabi reaction video nila ganyan, sumasana kayo. Wala ako energy no. Hi Steph. Happy birthday sa atin sa April. O siya, babay na ha. Actually sa Sabado guys, birthday anniversary din ng Shimot yun. Kasi anniversary ng Shimot namin, birthday ni Min. Doon kami na buong tatlo, birthday ni Min. So, ayun, parang sasabihin na lang din namin celebration. O siya, babay na ha. Bye everyone.